Well, good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to the SWO Signals channel. Decided to come out to the backyard, enjoy some of the beautiful weather here, and listen to the radio. So came across this signal, 11450. It sounds like the old Russian Woodpecker, but I don't think it is. Time right now, 20:28. Listen to this. So 11450 to 11485. Might be before 450. So 11445 where it starts. But yeah, I'm sure it's just over the horizon radar, but for those of you that may have heard that back in the day, interesting sounds. So if you like that video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you like. Have a good day, everybody.